Good day to you all, and welcome to Garage Auto Fix. I am your host, John, your guide to the world of automobiles. Today, we're on a mission to decode the mysteries of the car engine. So, buckle up as we dive into the heart of your vehicle. A car engine might seem like a complex piece of machinery, but it's really a power-packed ensemble of moving parts working in harmony. The engine is the heart of your car, and just like your heart, it has a critical job to do. It converts fuel into motion, propelling your vehicle forward. The journey begins with the intake stroke. The piston moves down the cylinder, creating a vacuum that sucks in a mix of air and fuel through the intake valve. This is where the car breathes in, just like you do before a sprint. Next, we have the compression stroke. The piston moves back up, compressing the air-fuel mixture. It's the equivalent of you taking a deep breath, holding it in, ready to burst into action. Then comes the power stroke, the real game changer. The spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture, causing an explosion. This forces the piston down, generating power to turn the crankshaft. This is the moment your car gets the energy to sprint. Finally, we have the exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve opens, the piston moves back up and pushes out the burnt gases, just like you exhaling after a sprint. And then the cycle repeats. To summarize, the car engine works in 4 stages: intake, compression, power, and exhaust, often referred to as the 4-stroke cycle. The engine breathes in the air-fuel mixture, compresses it, ignites it for power, and then exhales the waste gases. This intricate dance happens hundreds of times per minute, driving you to your destination. Just remember, every part of your engine has a crucial role to play, and understanding the function of each can help you maintain your vehicle in top shape. From the pistons moving up and down in the cylinders, to the spark plug igniting the fuel, and the exhaust system expelling waste gases, each step is a testament to the marvel of engineering that is your car engine. Thank you for joining me, John, on this journey through the workings of a car engine on Garage Auto Fix. Keep the engine of curiosity running, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of automobiles. Until next time, drive safe and keep learning.